in Cooper versus Kotarski, in assessing whether the court should take the case, you wrote, quote, "It's even possible that the good guys might win on this issue." Now, that wouldn't be a very good basis on which to suggest taking a case, would it? Who are the good guys?
As I took a look at that memo, Senator Kyle, that was just a reference to the people whom I thought Justice Marshall would favor on the law, and that's all the reference was meant to suggest. Just the people whom I thought Justice Marshall would think had the better of the legal arguments.
Well, the reason I cited that one is there's a note while you were at the White House. You were asked whether certain, or you asked a colleague rather, whether certain organizations were on a list of organizations eligible for certain tax deductions, and you referred to two of them. One was the NRA, the other was the KKK, and you referred to them as, quote, bad guy orgs, I presume an abbreviation for organizations. So if you're presented a case involving, for example, the NRA, would you consider the NRA to be a bad guy org deserving of defeat in the case?
Senator Kyle, I'm sure that was not my reference. The notes that you're referring to are notes on a telephone call, basically me jotting down things that were said to me, and I don't remember that conversation at all, but just the way I write telephone notes is not to quote myself. Okay, so
your belief is that you were quoting someone else when you wrote bad guy
or paraphrasing somebody else, but it was not. It was just telephone notes.
And it wasn't your terminology; it was somebody else's.
Or, as I said, or a paraphrase. But it was the way I write telephone notes is just to write down what I'm hearing.
You wouldn't, in any event, put the NRA in the same category as the KKK, I gather.
It would be a ludicrous comparison.
Thank you.